do you see?
2.
2, right? There are actually 2, right? We have a small triangle and we have a bigger one. So a small triangle, this small one.
So you're trying to write that one individually?
Yeah, this one individually. Okay? So in the smaller one, I'm going to draw it. So we all have H, X, and 40.5 degrees. In the bigger one, my angle is what? 37.75. This is what? Still H. What's this? Ooh, 1,000 plus X. Because when you walk 1,000 feet, and then if you walk additionally, you just add it. Okay? If Grace would walk 5 more feet, it's 1,005 if you don't multiply. Is everyone okay where those 2 triangles came from? Okay. Why do you think I split it into 2?
It's one you got more information than the other. Okay.
Oh, we can write an equation? What equation do we know that would link some of this? Oh, I'm hearing tangent. So we would have tangent of 40.5 degrees equals H over X.
You have tangent of 37.75
Tangent of 37.75
equals H over 1,000 plus X.
Okay, so Ty, you're saying maybe a substitution. What do you mean by that?
In one of them, so maybe get like the tan 40.5 say equal to X, and then plug it into X, so we have to take variables on.
Okay, so let's do a substitution. So, I like what you're thinking. I'm actually going to manipulate both equations. Can I get this X off the bottom?
Multiply.
Okay, so if I multiply both sides,
Plug that in for H.
So you can put that on top of
okay, can I get H by itself here?
Yep.
I could multiply by what?
10,000 plus X.
1,000 plus X? So that will make that go right here, right? Now, I have to put 1,000 plus X in parentheses. How come?
That's a whole quadration.
Okay, yeah, that's kind of together. If I don't put the parentheses, it just looks like I have X with the tangent. Okay. Guesses on what we could do? I have H equals something and I have H equals something. Set them equal to each other. They're both equal to H. And now it's just algebra. Granted, very weird algebra, but it's just algebra. Okay? Just a side note, don't write this down. Okay, I'm going to write something. Okay, I'm going to use whole numbers. Tell me how to solve this.
Distribute.
Okay, so do you see how I'm just replacing the funny looking tangent with numbers?
Yeah.
Okay, so distribute.
Subtract 2x.
Subtract 2x. Divide by 1. Okay? Okay, just a second, don't get ahead of me. So it's going to be exactly the same, just with tangents. Okay? Okay? So what did you guys do last time? You distributed, okay? You're just going to have to write them next to each other. So we're going to distribute.
Solve the first one. Subtract.
Mr. A does not want decimals right here, so I'm videotaping for his class, so therefore we are not going to turn into decimals. Since we have to share this, we have to, I'm videotaping this. So, we're going to not do decimals yet. Okay? Yes, you could, but the problem with that is you will have rounded answers. Okay? So we're going to do it without that.
Do you mean not rounded answers, but there can be decimals? 'Cause
No.
There's 37 point.
Yes, that's, yeah,
So as long as it's not rounded.
yeah. Okay, so now what do we need to do?
Subtract.
Get your x's on the same side, right? Okay. You cannot subtract those two numbers. Okay? Because they're not the same. Okay? Besides it looking weird with tans, are you okay so far?
Yeah.
Okay. Now, we have to get x by itself, and I have x in two terms. Can't quite divide yet. I'm going to eventually need to divide. What can I do if they have an x in both terms? Yeah. So I could take out the factor that they have in common, reverse distribute, factor it out. Okay, so it's kind of a reverse distribute idea. Okay, how do I get x by itself now? It's x times something. Divide by this mess. Now I will let you reach for a calculator. Okay, now you will have to put the bottom in parentheses, just like I did, okay? And we are not going to round. Okay? So please go ahead, let's make sure if you grabbed one off my desk that you hit mode, make sure you're in degree, and then you can proceed.
Vote and then what?
Degree. Especially if you took one off my desk because of the count kids, they have to be in radians. So,
Can you explain what the difference
radian is a different type of angle measurement.
Where
That
does
we will
degree
get
show?
the third line down.
For mine, that's float. It's in the wrong area. So no,
And the fourth one down here.
oh, there it is. And then quit, or?
Yep. Up, mode, make sure you're in the
I don't
right.
think I got that in.
You can't like just cancel out the 37.75.
A negative
the
number.
documents in front of it.
Oh, yeah, I don't think you did. Yeah, well, I know what the answer is, I can read it in the book. I did not get that answer.
That's
What'd you get?
9,000.
Did not type that one in right.
Amanda, did you put parentheses after the number after you type the
Okay, are you guys getting this?
Yeah,
Yeah.
no, I did not get that.
You didn't include your parentheses right here.
That's it.
Yep.
So you may do like our series.
Not this insurance. Yeah, pretty well. And then, like, insurance, right?
Cause you have 37.5 instead of 37.7, right? And it will make that much of a difference.
Is it more like this on the test?
Yeah. Okay, so what did we just find?
X.
Okay, I'll look in a second. We just found X. Is that what we were looking for? No, we are looking for H.
So from there, you can easily get it.
So then you just plug it
Wait, but does it
Yeah.
matter what we plug it in for?
Yeah.
I would plug it into the easier one.
X to the for small one.
Oh, so you're going back to here, Bailey? And to that one?
Yeah,
Yes.
so that'd be easier to do, then you have to add 1,000 to that
Yeah, we
big
just don't
number.
wanna do that.
and just stick it there.
Okay, so let's go and plug that back in here. Yes, this is very tricky algebraically until you practice it. Once you practice it several times, you'll get it, but it is tricky. You're doing great. Okay, what do you get when you do that? And we'll round to the 100th here. I went over time. Oh no, I'm over time.
Around
Okay,
to the what?
what did we get? 100, I think is what Mr. Alexander said.
82.
0.1,
828.
0.18.
0.18 feet.